Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook chicken in the Ninja Foodi. You're going to add salt, pepper, garlic salt, garlic powder, anything to your taste. Before I season them, I patted it down with a dry towel or paper towel and then season both sides. If you like something different besides the seasoning salt or garlic salt, you can add whatever you like. I'm going to use the rack in the lower position. I'm going to place the chicken thighs into the foodie. I'm going to set the temperature for 350 and for 20 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Let's see what it looks like. Nice and crispy. Looks beautiful. Just salt, pepper, garlic salt. Looks good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and come back and see me do another video. Have a great week. Thank you very much.